G'day, this is Simon from Gard. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of accessories that come with the car body device when you purchase it from Gard and what they're meant for. So, first and foremost, you can see the box from the top. It tells you how to access our tracking platform using the QR code scanner, how to download our mobile applications, and how to stay in touch with us. Bit of information. Alright, so let's open up the box. Inside we can find our 4G tracking unit. Okay, so as you can see, the top cover has been separated on all our devices. This is due to a reason that if you decide to bring your own SIM card and don't want to use one of our SIM cards, then you can install it yourself at home, and we've got a separate video that shows you how to do it. So before you install the SIM card, please do not push these together, as it will be very hard to open it again. So let's put that aside at the moment. Alright, so there's a fair few wires that come with the unit, and we're going to explain what they all do, and let's go through everything one by one. First and foremost, we've got our Velcro sticker on both of these sides, and what you can do is, once the tracker gets installed in your vehicle, stick one of these on top of your tracker and the other one in your vehicle somewhere, and once it's installed, just push them firmly together and it should hold. It's easier to hide your tracking device, but it takes a fair bit of effort to pull it apart. Okay, next we've got our SOS button. This is to send out an alert to the platform, to your dedicated SOS number or an email when this button has been pushed. You just simply connect it to your tracking device. There's only one cable it fits to, and you run the cable through your dashboard, and this little bit comes up. It's got a sticker at the back, and you can push this button if you need to send out an alert that you're in a bit of trouble. Alright. Next we have our Immobilizer Relay. So this is meant for 12 volt battery. If you've got dual batteries and up to 24 volts, then let us know and we will organize a 24 volt relays. Okay, so this is meant for immobilizing your vehicle remotely using our Gard mobile applications or the track map application on your desktop computer. Please make sure when you get this installed, it has to be done by an approved electrician, and all the wiring instructions are available on our website through My Buddy Hub. And if someone nicks your car, you can simply turn it off, not while it's running of course, but as soon as they stop the car, they will not be able to start it again. Okay. Next we have our OBD2 Port connector. This is when you want to install your vehicle tracking device, let's say temporarily in your car, or you just want a quick and effortless installation. You could use this. You won't be able to immobilize your car because this is just to power up the tracking device so you can locate it, and you can do the geofences and etc, etc. There's a bit of a video on our social media channels and YouTube channels and on how to install it in your vehicle. It literally takes about 2 minutes. You just put two wires together. There's only one wire it fits to, and you plug this into your OBD2 port in the car, run the wire into your dashboard and hide the tracking device so it wouldn't be too obvious. Alright, so let's put that aside. And last, this wire is meant for our fuel probe. And basically what we can do is you can purchase an extra accessory, which is like a bit of it measures fuel in your fuel tank, say for diesel trucks. Someone comes and nicks fuel from your car after hours, and the probe will alert you as soon as the petrol or diesel level drops. suddenly while the vehicle is stationary. So this is what you'll receive when you purchase a My Bodyguard car body 4G unit. Make sure you have a look at all our other videos as well, and there's a bunch of information on our website, and of course how to use our software at #MBG rules. And thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.